Setup Process Video. This video walks you through the initial setup process for your WUUK Smart Doorbell. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is download the WUUK app from either Apple iOS App Store or Google Play Store by searching keyword WUUK, or visit website WUUKLabs.com and download from there. Choose a Wi-Fi network on your mobile. This network will be for one of your WUUK doorbell to join to, so make sure it is a 2.4 GHz network. WUUK Smart Doorbell doesn't recognize or work on 5G networks at this point. Open the app and add a device from there. Now, let's start by linking the power plug to the Chime and plug the Chime into a power outlet. If everything is connected correctly, your Chime will begin its initial setup process. Once it's finished, the Chime will say,
"System ready."
It can sometimes take up to 30 seconds for the device to be ready. Then press the Set button on the right side of the Chime for more than 3 seconds. Wait for the audio sound,
Ready to scan.
Choose the option based on what you have heard. In this case, choose I heard Ready to Scan. Next, power up your WUUK doorbell by long pressing the power button on the back of it and wait to hear,
Hello, WUUK.
Make sure your doorbell is powered on at this step. You should hear,
Ready to scan your QR code.
We highly suggest you grant access to the WUUK app when it asks for permissions. If you do not allow the WUUK app to access your Wi-Fi information or location, you will have to type in the Wi-Fi name manually. In the app, select the Wi-Fi network for your WUUK doorbell. Type in the password and make sure it is correct. Now, you are ready to scan the QR code. It is much easier to tap on the QR code and display the QR code on a full screen. Place the doorbell in front of your phone screen. Move back and forth and try to place the doorbell at different distances within 10 centimeters to 30 centimeters range. Pause at each distance for a while for the doorbell to finish scanning. If the scan is completed, you should hear,
Connecting to the internet.
from the Chime. Now choose, I heard Connecting to the internet. You will hear,
Pairing successful.
from the Chime, and this is the end of the pairing process. If you need additional help, you can chat with our support team in the WUUK app or visit support section at WUUKLabs.com.